SpyDialer Reverse Lookup Review is SpyDialercom legit? SpyDialer Reverse Lookup Review is SpyDialercom legit? Ever received a call from an unknown number and wondered who was behind it? SpyDialercom promises to help you find out. But can you trust it, or is it a scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming all reverse lookup services are risky. The surprising truth is that SpyDialer is legitimate and legal to use. It collects publicly available information from phone records, marketing databases, and other public sources to help identify callers, phone owners, and addresses. You won't believe what happens next. SpyDialer does not give personal, private data that isn't publicly accessible. You can use it for free for basic lookups, but premium reports may cost a small fee. Users report that the interface is simple, results are usually accurate, and is a handy tool to screen unknown calls or numbers. For safe use, avoid using it to stalk or harass anyone. Stick to legitimate purposes like verifying a caller, reconnecting with someone, or confirming a business number. SpyDialer follows US privacy laws, so your own data is not exposed when using the service. In conclusion, SpyDialercom is a legitimate reverse lookup tool that provides useful information from public sources. It's reliable, safe, and easy to use for identifying unknown numbers. Just remember to use it responsibly and respect privacy regulations.